The Seekie electronic work queue software enables users to view a prioritised list of all the work that is queued to a particular work centre on a shop floor terminal. The job information is derived from the ERP, MRP or planning systems such as the Seekie scheduler. To say that I'm starting an operation on the Doosan machine, I select the top job on the queue and hit the Start button on the toolbar. Assuming we have the Seekie JobPack DNC module, the system will automatically open the JobPack folder containing all the manufacturing data associated to this job. For example, here we can see a photograph of the component. At the same time, in the Seekie machine monitoring module, again assuming this is installed, the status of the machine has been changed to setting new job. So we know the machine is not actually running during setup. So this job has been running on the machine and now it's ready to be completed. So here you can see the status is showing is started, i.e. it's in progress. To indicate that the operation is now complete, I select Finish from the toolbar. I have a planned quantity of 12 parts, and I can either select the 12 parts and say that I've made them all, or in my case we'll say we had a problem with one of them, and actually I rejected it because we broke a tool during the manufacture which caused a defect. So maybe now we go for a concession, and we'll complete the booking. The system warns me that I'm going to book the operation short. And you will see that the job is now completed on my work queue. I can now progress to the next job on the queue. The Job Report module enables you to review the shop floor data collection bookings made on the shop floor. In the top half of the screen I have a list of works orders and below their corresponding operations. Yellow indicates work in progress, green completed and blue interrupted or paused. I can search for a works order and the system returns me 4 corresponding operations. And using the toolbar I can look at the machine utilisation against the individual operation or the works order. Production time, setting time, lost time, and I can also look at planned versus actual comparison of setup time, production time for the batch, and total time for the batch. Where we have a red indicator here, you can see that we exceeded the setup time with half an hour to set. It has taken us nearly 2 hours, but we have managed to produce the parts and the total batch inside of our planned time. That information we may subsequently use to update standard times in our ERP or scheduling system.